Take a ride in the 2020 Chevy Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, privacy glass. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.